Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: reliable internet and a device. First, decide on one niche and list 5 clear services you can deliver now. Once chosen, make a professional profile with a friendly photo, concise headline, and 3 portfolio examples. Set either an hourly rate or a simple package price. While you do that, organize basic tools: email, cloud storage, and a payment method. Start reaching out to 2 potential clients or platforms today, so momentum builds immediately. Once you've landed initial interest, build a simple intake process so work scales. You send a brief form capturing scope, deadline, and budget. The client responds and you confirm deliverables. Make one project system, Trello, Asana, or a strict folder naming convention, and add templates for proposals, contracts, and invoices. You'll use a 3-proof review cycle to reduce rework. As you work, communicate short status updates and next steps. This reduces confusion and keeps payments timely. When the project wraps, package deliverables clearly. Include source files, exported versions, and a short changelog explaining edits. You ask for feedback and a testimonial, and present a follow-up offer to keep revenue flowing. If a client raises issues, stop and document the conversation, review the intake and scope, then propose a small goodwill fix or a paid revision. Make sure to confirm acceptance in writing and issue the final invoice. This closes projects cleanly and protects your reputation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.